Hi everyone, this is Priyan again with another vlog. Well, I hope you guys are doing good and enjoying your day. So first of all, I have mentioned before that I have purchased a GoPro Hero 10 camera, and I have also said that I will make a unboxing video, but somehow I could not manage time to make that video, so today I'm going to make this video. It's not a beginner guide, it's a totally unboxing video, and also I'm just going to share that what I have got and what I have to purchase and what I did not get. So let's get started. So here is a GoPro Hero 10 Black. This comes with this paper packaging. I have opened it before because I wanted to check it when I was in shop. So it is, here it is, and it is saying that 23 megapixel camera, 5.3K 60 or 4K video quality, 33 feet for 10 minutes underwater, and GP2 processor. Yeah, so let's open it. I have opened it before. The packaging is really nice. The case is friendly, super smooth, and it looks good, luxurious, but also travel free. Like it is not travel free, it is like friendly for traveling. I think better than plastic case. So let's open it. So here it is. It is saying that it is recyclable. This is the camera. I haven't opened it. So here is the camera. I have to update it. I haven't checked details of this GoPro, and I just checked what they have given to me, and finally I have realized I have to buy many things for this, like accessories actually. So here is the cable. Here is the battery. Here is the mount. Here's the sticky mount and a screwdriver. That's all they have given to me. But I have realized that I have to buy SD card, and also I have to buy tripod or three stick stabilizer, which I have bought. But before that, let's see what they have given. They have given instructions, settings, settings. Interesting. I haven't used GoPro before, so I have to set everything down. And another thing, and there is another cover, paper cover was there, but I somehow lost it while unboxing it on the shop. So here is the GoPro, and I have another thing to share, which is this one. I have bought it like gimbal, or it is called iSteady. It's from China. So I wanted to buy DJI one, but it is not available it was not available right now, so I have bought this one. I haven't opened it yet, and I have to open it. This is for GoPro. Instruction book. Okay, and now let's open it. It's heavy. This is compatible with GoPro Hero series and other action cams with similar size. Okay, let's open it. Oh, the packaging is really nice. This one, smooth. And let's see. I have bought it, so I knew that there was nothing, so I need something. This one is, I think, yeah, this one is cable, tripod, another cable, and here it is. I need to go back to the action after setting up everything, because it's gonna be like I have to set it down. I haven't checked anything yet, but I have warranty, so if there is something I need to know, then probably, like, I will work on it. But I hope there is no missing part. I really hope so, because I think adapter or something is missing, but I have to check it out. So here is all about my GoPro Hero 10 Black unboxing. I will do more detailed video about the functioning, how it is going, but not right now. It will take time. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you on my next video.